Easy.
Now look, today we are gonna make a big heart for Valentine's Day. Surprise for mommy, okay? Yeah. We have glue, we have scissors, we have brush. What is this? Brush. Okay. And then we have decorative shreds. This is yellow. Say yellow one. This is orange. This is orange. This is purple. Say that. This is blue. Say that. This is red. Okay, I have a pen, Sharpie, to draw the giant heart. Okay? I will draw it, and then I'm gonna cut it, and then I'm gonna glue it with the brush spread it. Glue. And then we are gonna put this decorative shred on the giant heart. Okay? Okay, I'm drawing the giant heart right now. I am starting from this point, and then drawing the giant heart. Okay? This is the giant heart. Now I'm gonna cut it. I will put the Sharpie in here, and then I will cut this. Let's cut it. Are you excited, Namak? Are you excited? Oh, look at this, Namak. Giant heart. Giant heart. Say that. Good job. Oh yeah, look at this. Yay! Namak, look at that. Yay! Look. Open it. Open it, Namak. Put it in. Put it. You can put it. Put it. Put more. More. Good job, Mama. Good job, Mama. Good job. Okay. Alright. Okay. Let's spread it with the brush, okay? Brush, spread it like this. Spread it. Okay? Good. Good job, Mama. You're doing really good, Mama. Let me see. Go here. No, just not. Here. Good. Yay. Good job, Mama. Good job, Mama. Wow. Awesome. Wow, cool. Over here. Yeah, here. Over here. Here. Yeah, good job. Over here. Open it. What is this color? Red. Yay! Okay, but look, I'm gonna take some and put it back here, okay? And put it back here. Alright, it's doing good. Okay, stay there. Do it, Mama. Put some. Good one. Good job, Mama. Good job. What is this color? Blue. Yay! Put some over here. Over here. Yay! Push it. Press it. Yay! Good job, Mama. Good job. Okay, what is this color? Yellow. Yay! Put some over here. Yay! Put some more. Press. Good job, Mama. Press it. Yay! Okay. What color do you want? Do you want orange? What color is this? Orange. Yeah. Put over here. Put some over here. Yay. Some over here. Put some. Yay. Press it. Yay. Good job, Mama. Good job. Do you want purple? Yay, purple. Yeah. Come on. Get some purple and put it right here, okay? Alright, put it right there. Good job. Over here. A little bit over here. Alright. It's going really good. Alright. Yeah, gonna put some here. Okay. Are you ready? Ready? Yeah, look at it now. Push. Wow! Woo! Let's cut these parts. Let's cut this extra part, okay? Okay, you can cut the extra parts. Okay? Alright, thank you, Mama. Thank you. I love you too. They're gonna cut the extra parts over here, okay? Look now. Wow! It's beautiful giant heart. Look at this, Mama. It's beautiful, right? We made this giant heart for Valentine's Day. Surprise for mommy.